So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve the problem, remove the balls. So imagine an imaginary array of length n containing balls given two array colors and radius of length n each, where color I represents the color of ith ball while radius I represent the radius of ith ball. If two consecutive balls have the same color and size, both are removed from the array. Geek wants to know the length of final imaginary array. So let's understand the question. So the question is all about whenever we find two consecutive balls with the same color and radius, both should be removed. So let's understand with an example. Let's have 3 and 2. Fine. Now 1 and 2. Is 1 and 3 and 2 and 2 are matching? No, 1 and 3 are not matching. So I will say move ahead. They will not be removed. Now 3 and 1 and 5 and 2 are matching? No. Okay. 3 and 3, 5 and 5 are matching? Yes. They have same color as well as same radius. That means they have they are saying in the question like same size. So for size, you can consider like uh because surface area, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and surface area is like it has somewhat proportional to radius cube or radius square is. So obviously, if radius will increase, surface area will also increase. So directly proportional relation. So we can say size as radius also. Okay, here. Okay, so I will say yes, they have same radius and same color. So we can say okay, we should remove them. So both will be removed. So the new array will become 3, 1, 2, 2. Now, now we will come to here because we have done the traversal till here. Now we will come here. Now we will say okay, 1 and 1 are matching, 2 and 2 are matching. Yes, remove both of them. Add then 3 and 2 is left. That means which ball is left? Only one ball is left. So answer is equal to 1. So, how can we approach this question? We can approach this question using stack because we are dynamically removing the pairs. Dynamically removing the pairs. So, whenever let's say A found and B comes, okay, you match me, let's come outside. So, this is the intuition of why we are using stack. So, let's try run the approach. Let's say we are coming with 0th index. So, we will say, since there is nothing to compare initially, so let's add 0th index as it is. Now come to 1th index. Not 1th index. We have two elements, color and radius. So for 0th index, what was the color? 3. Radius. So is 0th index color is matching with 1th color? No. And 2 is matching, but 3 and 1 is not matching. So I will say, okay, just push it here. Just push it here. Maybe it is useful in next point. Let's come to 2. Let's come to 2. Now we have 3 and 5. So 1th has 1 and 2 because I want consecutive. That's why. So currently we have 3 1 2 3 1 3. These three index consecutive. So I will say we have to check two pair consecutive. So I will say 3 and 1 matching, that is 2th index color, and 1th index color matching. No. Okay, just put it, just put the 2 as it is. Okay, now let's come to third index. Third index is color 3 and radius 5. Second index is color 3, radius 5. Now you can see third index color and second index color is same. Radius is also same. That means 2, you should come outside. You should go with the pair. Okay, so 2 will come outside. Okay, then. Now, I am at 4. Now I am at 4. So in the dynamic point, we can say this is removed in the dynamic way. Okay, so now new array is something like 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this one should come closer. Fourth index should come closer to 1. That is only possible by stack when we remove the pairs. Okay, or we can use directly vector as well. In vector, their function push back or pop back. That is also possible, but I am using stack because in actual it's stack only. Stack question. Okay, so now I come with fourth index. Fourth index color 1, radius 2. First index color 1, radius 2. So 1 and 1 are matching. 2 and 2 are matching. Okay, 1th index, you should come outside. Okay, so 1th index will come outside. So at the end, when I come, I is equal to n. I will come out of the loop. I have only one element left. So answer will be st dot size. That means 1. Now I have seen some solution in the comments. So they have used pair intent for stack, okay, but or array for storing the two elements in the array like 0 2 like this. So why I should store like this? Index is only uh, index is only right. Okay, why? Because we have to just compare the index elements. Okay, so if one come 1th index color and radius, 0th index color and radius, so that's why stack of int will also work fine, where int will store the indices of the points, and whenever I come up with any index and this index, so I will compare index's color and index's radius. So that will be the approach. So let's try to uh, code up the approach. Now we have a stack in SC, and what we have, we will traverse a loop I less than in I plus plus, capital N it should be. Now, if stack is empty, that means initially no one is available to compare. Okay, and if stack is not empty, we have to compare. So if stack is empty, so we'll just push the element as it is. What index? We can store pair intent also here, but it's not required. We can directly access index element. Now, what is the topmost element of the stack? This topmost index. Okay, consecutive index in the dynamic way. Okay, dynamic way means because some two elements are removed, so in between one and one element, this element when removed, these two elements will come closer. Okay, that's I mean by dynamic. Okay, so if color of previous is equal to color phi, that means topmost index and current index color is matching. Okay, and radius of previous is equal to radius of phi. That means color and radius are matching. So uh, topmost element, you should go outside. Okay. Else, if they are not matching, I have no option. I will directly push the element. Because when stack was empty, no one was to compare, we will push. When they are not making comparison, then we have also to push. Okay. Because they can be useful in next point. And add then what we have to do. Return stack size. Let's compile it in the code and check whether it's working fine. Okay. Let's submit the code. So yes, it's totally working fine. So this was all about code. If you like the explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.